Hello friends, welcome to Tech Hunt in English YouTube channel. This is Swarna. Today the news is all about Realme. Yes, Realme has launched two different models of the watch and one wireless earbuds. So let's see the specifications of this watch and the wireless earbud. First, we will discuss about the Realme watches. Realme has launched two different models of the watch, Realme Watch S and Realme Watch S Pro. Realme Watch S Pro is the premium one when compared to Realme Watch S. Some common features of these two watches are both are coming with a round dial and monitors the heart rate, blood oxygen level, sleep monitoring and few more. These watches are available for sales on Flipkart, realme.com and other offline stores. Quickly we will look into the specifications of Realme Watch S Pro. It comes with 1.39-inch AMOLED display with 326 ppi pixel density and it is having 450 nits of brightness. And coming to the glass, it is coming with 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass for protection. It comes with the ARM Cortex M4 processor and along with that it is also having low power processor which enables the optimum performance. Coming to the battery, it is having 420 mAh battery and the battery life will last for 14 days and it will get charged 100% within 2 hours. This Realme Watch S Pro is having 5 ATM water resistance which is ideal for swimming. And it also comes with the light sensor which will automatically adjust the brightness between different levels. And few more features of this Watch S Pro are it will support 15 kinds of the sports modes and it will also monitors the heart rate, blood oxygen level, step counting and few more. And it will monitor the hydration levels even. It is also having built-in GPS system. Coming to the price, it is available at the price of 9,999 and it will be available for sales on 29th December from 12 pm on Flipkart. Now let's see the specifications of Realme Watch S. It comes with 1.3-inch display with 600 nits of brightness. It comes with the round dial with 360 x 360 pixel. And coming to the glass, it is having 2.5D curved Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It comes with the 390 mAh battery which lasts for 14 days and it will get charged 100% within the time span of 2 hours. Coming to the water resistant, it will be water resistant up to 1.5 meters of depth which is not suitable for the swimming. Same like Watch S Pro, it will also support 16 sports modes and monitors the heart rate, SpO2, blood oxygen level and sleep monitor. It is available at the price of 4,999 and this watch will be available for sales on 28th December from 12 pm on Flipkart. Both models of the watches are having two different kinds of watch straps. One is silicone watch strap and another one is vegan leather watch strap. These are available in different colors like blue, green, brown and few more. You can purchase silicone watch strap at the price of 499 and vegan leather watch strap at the price of 999. Moving to the next is about Realme Buds. Along with the Watch S and S Pro, Realme has launched the Realme Buds Air Pro Master Edition. These are wireless earphones. Look of these earbuds is very elegant. It is having a smooth glossy finish. Coming to the battery, it is having 486 mAh battery and supports fast charging. The battery life will last for 25 hours and it is also coming with IPX4 water resistance. Some key features of these earbuds are it comes with active noise cancellation and having 94 millisecond of super low latency and it is also having dual mic noise cancellation for calls. It is also having smart wear detection and comes with voice assistance and touch control. So these are the specifications of these earbuds. Coming to the price, it is available at the price of 4,999. This is available for sales on January 8th on Flipkart, realme.com and other offline stores. So friends, these are the updates from Realme. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.